Hey everybody, I'm back with an update of what's happening here in Southern Utah, and today I'm back here at Utah Tech University for my annual update on campus. Today we're going to talk about everything from the new construction happening to the renovation of older buildings, as well as some future projects to come. All of this, along with the transition of leadership that's going to be happening over the next couple of months with the hiring of a new president, is making for some big changes here on campus. And I'm really looking forward to seeing what the new vision of the new president looks like, along with everything happening around here. I really look forward to showing you everything that's going on, so let's get started. So first up, we'll start with the new construction happening right here behind me with the newest building on campus. They reference this as going to be the Workhorse here on campus, as it's going to be a general classroom building that's going to have 30 classrooms, 138 offices, 8 labs, and 6 conference rooms. And it actually totals about 1,800 computers that will be in this building. Construction is supposed to be done this summer and will be ready for fall semester. This will begin a domino effect that will lead into the next building being renovated here on campus, which is the McDonald building where all the current humanities classes are. They're going to move all those classes over into the new general classroom building that will vacate the McDonald building, and then they'll begin renovations there. That will be anywhere from 20,000 to 40,000 square feet, and is going to be where the fine arts programs, which are currently in the old Harmons building on campus, they will shift over to the McDonald building, freeing up that old Harmons for some future plans that they have there. So this will all take place once the new general building is finished this summer, and then the McDonald's building renovation will be done by December of 2026. Now from here, we'll head over to the Campus View Suites that just opened up their 3rd building for the fall semester a few months back. So now they've got Campus View Suites 1, 2, and 3. They added 564 beds, a fitness area, a laundry facility, Associated Foods grocery store, as well as a game room. This has been a huge addition here to campus as they continue to grow their enrollment. Right around the same area at the Brooks Stop that's here next to the student housing, we've got a brand new coffee shop that's gone in here called Holy Grounds Coffee. They've actually got a location right here, as well as in the Holland building in the center of campus. So that'll be a nice addition here on campus to have 2 new coffee shops. Then right next to the Holland building, in between there and the Human Performance Center, we've got a new concept for a new student union that's still about 4 or 5 years away. They are doing some fundraising for it and have a really cool plan for the building. This will have everything from a big, beautiful dining area, campus store, and basically any service that students will need while they're here on campus will be housed in this building. So like I said, still just a concept at this time. As you can see, the renderings are really cool, what the look will be. I'm really looking forward to seeing the progress on this one. Then from there, the last building under renovation right now is the Cox Auditorium, which is now going to be known as the America First Performing Arts Center. This is a partnership between Utah Tech, the Southwest Symphony, and the Southern Utah Heritage Choir, and is going to be a $38 million expansion project that's going to make this place really, really cool. They're going to expand the grand lobby. They've got plans for adding a balcony, some rehearsal space, adding more seats, and it's significantly upgrading the stage and all the production equipment. And this is what's going to allow even bigger entertainment names to be able to come in here and use this space. So this is going to be a project that'll take into next year. They're planning on having it be done by April of 2026. And lastly, I'll give an update on the softball complex that's been in fundraising and planning since I did my last video. They are still raising funds on this. It is now going to be named the Dr. Dennis and Diane Lyman Softball Complex. It's basically going to revamp this entire field with new grandstands, some shade, a press box, brand new locker rooms. It's also going to rotate the field and create a plaza in between here and the baseball field that will have some shared amenities and concessions, different fan amenities right here for both sports. It really just revamped the softball field, as the softball program is one of the most successful programs on campus, and I know a lot of people around here are excited to get this thing done. So as things continue to progress, I'll definitely make sure to stay updated on this. And that's a wrap, guys. As you can see, a lot of good stuff happening here at Utah Tech University. It's really cool to see this place continue to grow. For more info on what's happening here in Southern Utah, you can call me or text me 435-357-1619, or find me on Facebook, LinkedIn, or Instagram. Thanks, guys.